Hi everyone, today I'd like to talk about a Philips Android 43-inch TV. I was able to review this TV thanks to Try It Sampling community. So the TV is a LED display Ultra 4K, Ultra HD 4K Android TV. I never use an Android TV, so these are just kind of the overview of all the things that it comes with. So it comes with your little like information start setup quick guide. Those are the feet, and I'll show those later on. It does include instructions, and it does include a little bag of screws for the feet, and that is the remote control. The remote control does have a numeric keypad, and it does have a couple of quick access buttons like VuDu, YouTube, and a few others. And this will just kind of show you what the TV looks like. It's very lightweight, and it's very sleek in its design. It does have all your standard inputs like HDMI and all of that, and that's just to show you the power cord. Those are the feet once I took them out of the bag, and the remote control did include batteries, and those are the little screws that are included to attach the feet. You can wall mount this, but the wall mount will be sold separately. And this was kind of show you what it looks like when you turn it on. Since it does have the Android feature, you can connect your Google account if you have one. You can skip that basically when you set it up, but that just show you what the channel search. And this was to show you what the color looks like. The color is very bright and it's pretty even. You can adjust it depending on what you're watching or just whatever you need it, how you need it. This was to show you a quick video on some of the apps that the TV has. The day that I watched it, they happened to have a memorial service on every channel for one of the, I think it was a senator or a congressman that passed away. So that's why we see this. I actually turned the sound off just to show you. And once you press the options button, these are all the options the TV has. You can pick the picture, you can change the scale, you can fix any channel updates, anything like that. And this is how you get to the options in the apps. So they actually have a live TV app, and they have other apps as well. Some are Google related, like Google Play. They have VuDu, they have Netflix, they have Amazon Prime. I'll get to Amazon Prime later. And they have a couple of other standard ones, and they also have the Android apps that are built into the TV as well. In terms of the apps, you can actually disable them, and it's really easy to do. I didn't take a video of that. I didn't think about it. This was just kind of to show you again some of the apps that were built into the TV. In terms of live TV, I haven't had a problem with the signal very much. I don't have cable. I have over-the-air TV, so the signal works well. This is the home screen that you get, so you can actually switch out apps. It has live TV. I'm sorry that it didn't register so well with my camera, but basically it gives you like all these different options of things that you can add to the TV, such as, you know, the baseball channel, Disney Plus, things of that nature. And a lot of that stuff is free to add, but you may have to pay an additional subscription. And this was to show you what it's like, that you can actually use the voice assist, or you can type it out. Voice assist may be a little tricky when you first learn how to use it.
What is the weather like today?
But that's basically what it looks like. You can ask it and it'll show you, like I just asked what the weather was that day. So it shows you what the weather's like. And again, this was just kind of to show you how to navigate the different screens. The one thing that I did like about this TV is that it stays on live TV. So if you set it to watch television, it'll stay. You don't have to go through the home screen to go back to your regular channel or whatever you were watching. This was just kind of a few final things that I just kind of looked through, and then I went back to regular TV to show you guys. So, hi everybody. As I mentioned, today I'm talking about the Philips 43-inch Android TV. So I have the directions in front of me because the TV's in my kitchen. But basically this is what you got. You got a quick start guide, which is pretty helpful, just like a little information guide. And let me show you what the remote looks like. I had to recently purchase an extra remote because this one, for some reason, the previous channel button was faulty. I don't know if they're all like that or it was just this particular set. So let me show you what the remote looks like. It's pretty straightforward. If you happen to see the one from last week where I talk about the Fire TV, we'll do a comparison about that for tomorrow's video, by the way. So this is what the remote looks like. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. I liked that it had the numeric keypad. My parents liked it too. And I liked that it offered the option of just being able to watch live TV. So they have two modes when you search for channels. It says something like Google Apps and TV or True TV. I've done both and I don't really know what the difference is. But it scans well, it picks up channels well. As you saw, the picture quality is very clear, very crisp. I don't know if you have an Ultra HD antenna, if it's even better than what that looks like, but I like the picture quality. The sound's great. It has Bluetooth enabled tech, so you can actually use your if you want to buy an additional soundbar, you can buy one with Bluetooth feature, so you don't have to hook it up. As I mentioned, it can be wall mounted. The wall mount will have to be purchased separately. I don't have a recommendation for that, but I do know that it can be wall mounted. I mean, it does have all the standard hookups like the HDMI. It has, your usual audiovisual inputs and outputs. And I think it even has one for a Ethernet cable. But it does have very good Wi-Fi signal. I haven't streamed from it yet. I keep forgetting to. But I will say, if you're an Amazon Prime member like I am, you will have to add it to your Amazon Prime account. So when you initially turn on or activate the Amazon Prime app, it'll give you like a little specialty code. That's why I didn't show it to you guys, because everybody's code, I guess, is individual. So it gives you a specialty code that you have to input into your Amazon account, and it links your TV to your account. And it'll actually show up in your Amazon account as well. It'll say like something like My TV or whatever you want to name it. So it's quite interesting. I haven't streamed from it yet, and I need to, but I do like that it's very easy to use. The sound quality is great. The only con I found about the sound quality is that it doesn't have a number scale. So you use the volume button, So the volume button, basically it raises or lowers the volume, but it doesn't have a number scale. So you just see the little slider go across with like a little dot. So that's kind of one con that I found. But besides that, I really do like the TV. The picture quality is good. The sound is good. I haven't really had a lot of issues with it besides the previous channel button not working on the remote control. But again, I have regular over-the-air TV, so I don't know what the signal difference would be for someone that has cable or that does nothing but streaming services. But I do like that you can leave the TV on live TV and it stays. So you can turn the TV back on and you'll be watching whatever channel you left it on. And it is pretty easy with the keypad. It can be slightly sensitive, but it just may vary from user to user. But overall, I was really happy with it. The price of the TV is $248, and that's US, and it's sold at Walmart. So I thought I'd give you guys that information, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.